Hey everyone,
This is Nadia from LifterLMS. So in this video, I'll show you that how we can add a header background color with the Sky Pilot theme. You can see that I don't have any background color here, but I will add a header background color. So let's get started. For that, first we have to visit Edit Site option. And after that, we have to click on this template parts option. You can see we have here. Now we have to select header section. And now we have to click on this pen icon. And now we can see here we have our header area. So now if we click on this icon, it will help us to select the individual block. We can see that we have group, row, site title, navigation buttons. So we can select the individual block option here. You can see that group is a full width header. We have row, we have then site title, we have navigation option. So now if I click on group, you can see that I have a circle option here. We have to click on this circle option, and here we have text, background, link. So I'll click on this background option and I will select the background color here. And now if I click on save, and if I visit my WordPress website and refresh the page, you can see that here is my header background color. So we have many options here. You can select the row option also. So first I will reset the color, and then I will select the row option here. And now I will again select a background color for this row option. So if I select this one, I think this one will do it. Now if I click save, and if I visit my page again and refresh it, so here is the row option. You can see the difference between row and group. And now I will show you another option. That is, first I will reset the option. And then we can select the site title. So I will select the navigation option. I will add a text color on this navigation option. You can add the background color as well. So also you can select the background colors for site title or buttons as well. So I will select the navigation here. So I will add a text color in this navigation area. So I will select white. So I want white menu. So then I will select the group and I will add a background color for this group. I will select this one and then I will click on save. And now if I visit my page and refresh it, here it is. So here I have the blue background color, I have the white navigation. So you can change the site title, site background, you can change the navigation color, you can change the CTA button. So we have to follow the same process for changing the color for everything here. So you have to always follow the same process. We have many options here. So I hope this video will help you. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.